This is the National Weather Service in Elko bringing you a weather briefing for the first major winter storm of the season, which will affect northern and central Nevada on Monday evening and Tuesday. There has been a slight change in storm track, which will change the locations and amounts of heavy snowfall. Forecast models are coming into more agreement, and confidence is increasing with the storm. For northern Nevada, there is high confidence that many places will be impacted, particularly northern Elko County and the Ruby Mountains. Be prepared for a winter storm with snow, several inches in some higher terrain. Travel will be impacted, even on some lower elevation highways. For central Nevada, there is high confidence that many places will be impacted, particularly southern Lander and southern Eureka counties. Be prepared for a winter storm with snow, several inches in some higher terrain. Travel will be impacted, even on some lower elevation highways. This is Monday's satellite imagery of the water vapor over the eastern Pacific Ocean and western U.S. The surface front, currently draped over southern and east-central Nevada, is separating the warm and cold air and will slowly drift east. Surface low pressure is currently developing over central Nevada along this front. The white and blue areas north of the front show areas of deep mid to high level moisture. This is Monday's radar mosaic that shows a shield of valley rain and mountain snow over western Nevada. This area of precipitation will slowly work off to the east during the afternoon and evening hours. Here's the latest surface forecast for Monday night. The low and front are near the Nevada-Utah border. Most of western Nevada will be snow by 10 p.m. Valley rain over eastern Nevada will turn to snow during the overnight hours as the cold air continues to work east behind the front. Snow could be moderate to heavy at times. This is the surface forecast for Tuesday. The low and cold front begin to work into Utah. Widespread snow showers are expected for northern and central Nevada. Moderate to heavy snow at times is expected across eastern Nevada. Freezing conditions across eastern Nevada could also lead to some areas of blowing snow. And here's the latest surface forecast for Tuesday night and Wednesday morning. The low and cold front push off to the east. Lingering snow showers will continue before winding down from west to east late Tuesday night and Wednesday. Currently, winter storm warnings are posted for northern Elko County and the Ruby Mountains from 10 a.m. Monday to 10 a.m. Tuesday. Winter weather advisories are also issued for northern Lander and Eureka counties, southwest and south central Elko County from 7 p.m. Monday to 10 a.m. Tuesday. Winter storm warnings are posted for southern Lander and Eureka counties from 4 p.m. Monday to 4 p.m. Tuesday. Winter weather advisories are also issued for White Pine and northern Nye counties from 4 p.m. Monday to 4 p.m. Tuesday. Precipitation will start as valley rain and mountain snow. Valley rain will turn to snow west to east Monday night as the cold air continues to funnel into the state. Snow will continue across much of our region tomorrow, before tapering off tomorrow night into Wednesday. With the slight shift in storm track, heaviest forecasted snowfall amounts have been shifted slightly to the north and west from the previous briefings. Highest snow amounts are now forecasted to be in the mountains of Elko, Lander, Eureka, western White Pine, and northern Nye counties. Winds on Monday evening will gust in east central Nevada to over 35 miles per hour. Around Great Basin National Park, winds could gust over 40 miles per hour. On Tuesday afternoon, the strongest winds will be in eastern Nevada, where they would gust to over 30 miles per hour. Winds at these speeds can cause some blowing snow and reduce visibility, mainly on passes and summits. In addition, wind chills will be raw. If you had to go out, be prepared for very unpleasant conditions. These are the highways which are expected to be impacted during the storm. Most severe travel impacts are expected Monday night and Tuesday. U.S. Highways 93, 50, and 6 in northeast and central Nevada are likely to have travel impacts, as well as Interstate 80. Passes and summits will see the greatest impacts. Most state routes in the northeast and central region of the state will also be impacted. Remember, just because minor impacts are shown in spots doesn't mean that certain locations won't be worse than others. Always know your route and plan ahead. This is the first storm of the season, so make sure to review your winter driving safety tips and make sure to check road conditions so you don't get caught unprepared. In summary, the season's first winter storm will affect northern and central Nevada through Tuesday. Valley rain over western Nevada will push east and change over to snow tonight. Snow to continue Tuesday. Snow could be heavy at times. Due to the slight shifts in storm track, the heaviest snow now forecasted to fall across the mountains of Elko, Lander, Eureka, western White Pine, and northern Nye counties. Some blowing snow is possible, mainly across northeast Nevada on Tuesday. That could lead to some areas of reduced visibility. Travel is expected to be hazardous starting Monday night and continuing Tuesday. The areas expected to have the most severe travel impacts are northeast and central Nevada, particularly on higher summits and passes. Snow to wind down Tuesday night and Wednesday. This has been a web briefing on the potential impacts and hazards for the first major winter storm of the season from the National Weather Service in Elko, Nevada. For the latest weather watches, warnings, and advisories, please visit our website at www.weather.gov/Elko. Thank you for listening.